Hello?
Stevie D, is that you?
Speaking.
Oh, I got you. I got you good. I got you real good. All right, then. Well, is that you, Stevie D?
Who is this? Who am I speaking to?
Oh, my name's Furl White. Stevie, will you be interested in a knife?
Maybe. I don't know. What knife?
Well, we got knives from the Germains. We got knife from the Franchos, Poles, and
I mean, if you send it me, I'll have a look. Is it like a good knife?
oh, it's good. Oh, it's real good. Would you be interested in reviewing a knife from Stay Sharp, y'all?
Yeah.
Playing on my banjo. You better do it, Stevie. Are you gonna feel my boot?
Yeah, I'll do it.
All right, then, well, I'm gonna send it to you. You better do it. Oh, you better do it. Oh, you better do. All right, then, Stevie boy. I gotta go. Stay sharp, y'all.
Bye.
You better do it, Stevie. You're gonna feel my boot.
Unbelievable. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I'll unbox this knife in a minute. We'll talk about this knife in a minute. I just want to quickly talk about chef bags, chef knives. Every professional chef should have a chef bag. Tools of the trade. Invest in some bloody good quality knives. I've had this 20 odd years. I've built up a collection of knives because I love knives. I absolutely love them. Back in the day, in the early 90s, there were only two makes I actually stuck with, and that was Henkel's and Wusthof. Fantastic German knives, sturdy, you pay for what you get, got a great weight to them, great choppers, but they've traveled further afield now, and I love the Globals, and I'm more recently into the Mac knives. They're absolutely amazing, I love them. So let's see what this is all about. A company called ENOWO, I think that's how you pronounce it, they reached out to me, asking if I want to review a knife, Damascus steel, beautiful G10 knife. So I thought, why not? Why not? Hey, why not? I'm honest. I'm going to be honest. If it's a great chopper or not, we'll unbox it and we'll have a look at it. That is a beautiful sound. There's just something about opening packaging. I love it. Let's have a look. Certificate. Oh wow. Man, that's got a nice weight to it. Look at that Damascus steel, beautiful. We'll call this the heel, call this the spine, call this the belly, we'll call this the tip, and we'll call this the point. First impressions, it looks great. It's weighty, it's got a nice balance. It could be a little too heavy for some, but for me, it's perfect. Knife's a personal preference. It's an extension of your arm. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna see how well it chops, how sharp it is. I know it's bloody sharp. I'm going to do the paper test and see what I think. Right, let's see how well this chops. I ain't got much veg. I've got an onion, tomato and a cucumber. That's it, but we'll see. Right. Oh, nice. It's got a nice glide. I just want to check the back of the knife of the chop. And the front of the knife. Beautiful. Let's see how well it glides through this tomato. Oh yeah. Obviously it's going to chop a cucumber, but I just want to see how the weight is when I do chop. First impressions right off the bat, it's a nice chopper. It chops well. It looks beautiful, it's weighty, and for me that's perfect. But like I said, for some, it could be an issue, but it chops amazing. It's sharp, it's really sharp, but any knife you get is pretty sharp. The real test is to actually maintain that edge over time. You can get this on Amazon for $80. I'll leave a link below. Would a home cook be happy with this? Would a professional chef be happy with this? Yeah. Definitely, I would say yes. They'd be very happy. It's an everyday chopper. It's strong as an ox, and it'll last a lifetime. Will this be joining my knife collection? Probably. I'm going to test it out for a couple of months yet, see how it actually goes. But I've worked with a lot of knives. I've worked with a lot of chef knives over the years, and I can pretty much say it probably will be. I totally recommend this knife. I'll leave the specs up now so you can have a look. Yeah, it's a great chopper. Thanks, guys.